Hey guys, I've been doing keto for a while now and I was having a bit of a problem getting back into ketosis. So I started to take Keto BHB. It helps release my fat stores so that instead of using carbs to burn energy, it uses my fat to burn energy. I have felt so much better since using Keto BHB. It has helped me stay in ketosis, burn the fat. I have lost 10 pounds in the last month. It has been amazing. If you guys are looking for something to help you burn the fat, keep your energy levels up, and keep you in ketosis, definitely check out Keto BHB. It is the real deal and it has been so awesome since I started using it. Definitely check it out if you want to get into ketosis faster.
I want to tell you guys about the awesome success I'm having with Active Formulations Keto BHB product. This product has really helped kickstart my keto diet for fat loss. You know, as summer and spring is right around the corner, I'm trying to tighten up a little bit and look a little better with my shirt off when I go swimming, go to the beach, everything in between. And this product has been a game changer in doing just that. Now, in addition to the actual physical changes I'm experiencing in my body with increased fat loss and how quickly I'm able to do it, my thinking has been much clearer. My cognitive ability has been much clearer when I'm working and doing tasks like that. So it's been a complete game changer for that. And I highly recommend if you're trying to boost your mental performance, you're on the keto diet, and you're trying to lose fat, you go pick this up right now from Active Formulations, the Keto BHB. I promise you will absolutely love it.
Okay, maybe it's just me, but I was really struggling to lose weight using keto. I mean, even when I added exercise, I still wasn't losing the weight. That's when my sister suggested I try this new supplement. It's called Keto BHB. This supplement is focused on the keto diet. It supports burning fat for energy instead of carbohydrates, making it easier to lose weight and gain energy. I take 2 capsules a day and I'm seeing results. I'm losing weight and I also notice that I'm thinking more clearly. I'm better focused and I feel good. I really recommend Active Formulations Keto BHB.